For centuries, Christmas trees have been an emblem of the holiday season, captivating hearts and creating cherished memories for families around the world. But have you ever wondered how these magnificent trees make their way into our homes? That's exactly what we'll be exploring in this video. Let's get started. Did you know that every year, millions of Christmas trees are harvested worldwide? In the United States alone, it is estimated that over 25 million real Christmas trees are sold annually. This industry provides employment for thousands of people and contributes to local economies across the country. Planting pine tree seedlings requires careful consideration of various factors to ensure their healthy growth and development. These trees thrive in well-drained soils with a pH level between 5.5 and 7.5. They prefer areas with good sunlight exposure, as this promotes their growth and vitality. Before planting, it's crucial to prepare the soil properly. The soil should be free from weeds, debris, and excessive rocks. It's recommended to loosen the soil and improve its structure through tilling or plowing. Spacing is another vital consideration when planting pine tree seedlings. Adequate spacing ensures that each tree has enough room to grow and develop its full potential. Typically, spacing between seedlings ranges from 5 to 8 feet, depending on the specific species and the desired density of the forest. Now, let's move on to the planting techniques. Seedlings should be carefully handled to avoid damage to their roots. A small hole is dug, slightly larger than the root ball of the seedling. The seedling is then gently placed in the hole, ensuring that the root collar is level with or slightly above the soil surface. Once the seedlings are in the ground, ongoing care is essential for their successful growth. Regular watering is crucial, especially during the first few years when the seedlings are establishing their root systems. The soil should be kept consistently moist, but be cautious not to overwater, as waterlogged conditions can be harmful. To ensure the optimal growth of pine tree seedlings, weed control is essential. Weeds compete with the seedlings for resources such as water, sunlight, and nutrients. Regular weeding, either by manual removal or through the use of approved herbicides, helps minimize weed interference and supports the healthy development of the seedlings. Remember, as the seedlings grow, it's important to monitor their progress and provide ongoing care. Pruning plays a vital role in shaping the growth of pine trees and ensuring they attain the desired form. By selectively removing certain branches and foliage, farmers can enhance the tree's symmetry, density, and overall aesthetic appeal. Timing is crucial when it comes to pruning pine trees. The best time for pruning is during the dormant season, typically in late winter or early spring, before new growth emerges. This allows the tree to recover from the pruning stress and promotes healthy regrowth. Thinning out excess branches helps improve air circulation and sunlight penetration, reducing the risk of fungal diseases and promoting healthy growth. By selectively pruning branches that are too long or protruding, farmers can maintain a symmetrical shape. They often aim to create a tapered silhouette, with shorter branches near the top and longer branches towards the base. To achieve a healthy, symmetrical tree, it's important to pay attention to the central leader. This is the main vertical stem of the tree that helps provide structure and balance. By promoting the growth of the central leader and keeping it straight, the tree maintains its desired shape. The ideal time for harvesting Christmas trees depends on the species and market demand. Typically, trees are harvested when they have reached their desired size, shape, and color. For most species, this occurs between late autumn and early winter, ensuring the trees retain their needles and fragrance throughout the holiday season. When it's time for harvest, farmers employ techniques to cut the trees without damaging them. Depending on the size of the operation, different tools may be used, including chainsaws, handsaws, or mechanical shears. The aim is to make a clean and straight cut at the base of the tree, minimizing stress and ensuring the tree remains intact. The harvested trees are gathered and brought to a designated baling area. This area is typically equipped with the necessary equipment and materials for the baling process. The trees are carefully arranged and stacked together to create a uniform and compact bundle. The trees are placed into a baling machine that automatically compresses them. Once the trees are arranged in a neat bundle, twine or netting is used to secure them. The twine is wrapped tightly around the trees or fed through the baling machine to form a secure package. In some cases, netting is used instead of twine to encompass the trees, providing added protection and containment. The twine or netting is tied or fastened securely to prevent the bundle from unraveling during transportation or handling. The ends of the twine or netting are usually tucked in or secured to ensure a tidy appearance and avoid any potential hazards. Depending on the requirements of the market or distributor, the baled trees may be labeled or tagged with relevant information, such as tree species, size, and the farm or company name. That's all for today. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found it informative and interesting. If you want to learn more about agriculture and farming, be sure to check out our other videos on this channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.